Hello, my name is Sabia from Oldham Volkswagen, and today I'll be walking you through this approved used Volkswagen.
This is the Volkswagen Transporter Kombi Highline 2.0 TDI 150 PS, and it currently has around 15 miles delivery miles. It comes painted in the stunning candy white finish, which looks absolutely fantastic, with the VW badge detailing that's in the front and the rear of the vehicle. And to minimise risk of damaging the vehicle in any way, the power folding wing mirrors do fold in when locked. And here are our wheels, which do complement the exterior finish very well, while offering a very stylish look to the van. And as we access the boot, you'll notice we have a fantastic and spacious boot size with our lashing wings across the surface of the floor, and you'll benefit from the lighting on the ceiling for that added visibility. Also, these doors will open up very wide to allow you to pack up to the loading bay and to maximise your loading space. Following on, you'll notice we have that lovely and classy interior and the ISO-fix lights at the back, which makes this van perfect for families. And as we access the front of the van directly, we have that comfortable interior and jam-packed van filled with fantastic features, starting off with the driver's seat, which is fitted with an armrest, offering you and your passengers that relaxing driving experience. Making our way inside the vehicle, you'll notice the multifunction steering wheel does have a nice leather grip, and we do have our automatic headlights there, ensuring that always on their correct times, alongside window controls on the driver's door handle, and just above the steering wheel we do have a cup holder and plenty of storage space. And once this fantastic van comes to life, we can now gain access to a dashboard display where we can view key information here like our mileage, whilst on the move, and we do have our assist systems with features like the adaptive cruise control, which allows you to maintain a safe and steady speed whilst driving on the motorway. Over to the infotainment screen, we do have a wide range of options that are available for us to use. Heading to our app connect, this offers the Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, allows to access driver-safe applications including Spotify, Apple Music and Google Maps navigation. Now speaking about navigation, this incredible detailed display will keep you on track to your stated destination on the best possible route. It will boost your confidence, allows you to broaden your horizons when travelling, as you can go to new locations you would never normally go to. And also with this stunning van, you do get your park pilot, offering you confidence while driving in those tight spaces, as the front and rear sensors ensure safety, especially when manoeuvring out those busy places like shopping centres where parking can be really tight.
This vehicle has a minimum of 12 months roadside assistance and warranty. For more information, get in touch on 0161 667 8330 or inquire online now.